Assalamualaikum to Dr. Salma. I am Nur Shikla binti Badrul and I will present my part, which is executive summary, company ownership, company location and facilities and our services. For the executive summary, Magnificent Moment is an event planning company specializing in corporate customer, which is full service event design, planning, and management event. We are offer three types of services, which is wedding ceremony, birthday party, and corporate event. We will liberate our customer from details and delivery an extraordinary event that exceed our customer expectation. By combining simple style that use natural and tropical material, we will provide the same quality result every time. Our service include consultation, decor the bridal, decorate party area, photographer, catering, and write out the schedule event and more. The best is we are provide interesting package for reasonable price for each type of service. Our team specializes in a variety of service range from budget planning, event coordination, event design, production, logistics to security and entertainment. We know every detail matter. Our target market is the couples who want to get married and engaged, and to the parents, teenagers, kids that want to have a birthday party celebration. We also target for small and big companies that want to do company event like corporate dinner. We devote ourselves to achieve your goals by creating a successful event that is memorable experience for yours and your guests. To us, it is not just another event, it is your vision and our passion. Next is company ownership. Magnificent Moments form as partnership by Muslimin Mustari, Muhammad Fikri Asho, Atifa Saleh, Rosita Kadir, including me. By writing agreement between our partner, we form this partnership to carry on a partnership as co-owners with a value to making profit. Our company is an ordinary partnership which is personal to our partners and share responsibility for the running of business. Next is our company location and facilities. Our company located inside the city of Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. Most meetings with clients are conducted over the phone, client's home, and in our company. The company will maintain a high degree of professionalism. All offices are equipped with the latest in business technologies such as telephone system, computer, fax machine, email, duplication printer, and software. Each location will have a secure storage area for supplies and equipment used in events such as camera, walkie-talkie, cellular phones, portable fax and machine and laptop. The last part is our service. Magnificent Moments will offer event planning for several of customers. Magnificent Moments also will concentrate on three types of event planning. First is wedding ceremony. For this event, we will offer a comprehensive list of wedding service that can help a couple in every way in the lead up to our customer day. We will deciding on what our customer need based on our customer wedding style and budget. Our service for this is wedding planning, actual day coordination, and wedding decoration. This is include organizing facilities and details such as a decor for their bridal dies, provide the couple suite and ground, coordinate invite, flowers, photographer, and more. We will give our customer free consultation to create a customized package that be happy with. We also provide 4 option interesting package for reasonable price. The package include day of coordination with price 6,500, essential package 11,800, absolute package 14,800, 800 and a la carte service 9,900. Second is the birthday party. These are events where we are planning, organizing, personalizing, and facilitating birthday party that deliver a safe, fun, and active party for people wants to celebrate their birthday party. Organize the party including planning the event, write out the scheduled event, decorate the party area, provide the cake and photographer. There are three options for birthday party package. First is classic package with the price is 888 ringgit. Second deluxe package with the price 2,088 ringgit and ultimate package which is 2,488 ringgit. The third service is company event. Magnificent Moments is committed to produce unique corporate event for the very best moment. We provide a wide range of event-related service from listen closely to the client's expectation including time frames, budget, and event needs, such as catering, customized design and build exhibition booth, booth rental, singer, band, and seasonable decoration, and more. We focus on for all company and staff bonding and synergy and customer acquisition. There are three options for company event package. First is platinum package with the price 9,500. Second gold package with 7,800 and silver package with 6,500. We creating a strong memory and creative service and we will deliver quality result for our customer event. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Rosita binti Kadir. I will explain about the organizational part. First, I will explain to you about the organizational structure of Magnificent Moment. We have 5 members in our partnership. First, we have director which is Sir Muslimin bin Mustari and 4 head of department. First, Atifa Saleh as Operation and Logistic Manager, Rosita Kadir IM as Client Service Manager, and Shakira Batrul as Marketing and Promotion Manager, and lastly, Muhammad Fikri as Financial and Administration Manager. Next, personal planning. Personal planning is a tool that helps we analyze and evaluate the human resources available in the organization and how to obtain the kinds of personnel needed to staff position. Mainly, we have 2 parts of job analysis. First, job description. Job description is a basic job-related data that is useful to advertise specific job and attract a pool of talent. We need the resume of candidate to help we identify the right employee for our job vacancy. For example, job title, job summary, job location, job duties, working condition, responsibility, tool use, and hazard. Now let's look about the job specification. Job specification is a basic detail that help candidates analyze whether they are eligible to apply the job or not. In the Magnificent Moment, we want to a candidate have an education, for example, diploma or degree in hospitality field. Experience minimum 2 years working experience. Skill, they must have excellent in communication and negotiate skill. Responsibility, we want to a person good in leadership and coordinating abilities and have emotional characteristics which is creativity, group behavior, and flexibility. Next, recruitment process. Recruitment process is a process of identifying the job vacancy, analyzing the job requirement, reviewing application, and selecting the right candidate. First, we will advertise our job vacancy to all platforms. The candidate will send their resume to our official email within the period that we given. Second, if our human resources interest with their resume, our team will send invitation to analytical test. 3. Online analytical test assess a candidate ability to study information and apply logic to find pattern or make inference. We need a candidate who able to think critically. Step 4 is if the candidate pass the online test, our team will invite them to interview via telephone. Then the selected candidate will do their face-to-face interview with the human resources. 6. At the same time, we verify their reference. For example, if she or he is a student from UMS, we will check her education background. After settle all this, we will get feedback from our director, Sir Muslimin bin Mustari, to give his feedback. Then, lastly, we will give offer to the selected candidate and explain all of the role. Lastly, and congratulations, the selected talent successful past the recruitment process. So, welcome into the magnificent moment. Then, retaining employee. Retaining employee refer to the ability of an organization to retain its employees. Retention of a positive and motivated employee is very important for the organizational success. For example, employer benefit is life insurance, workforce training, health insurance, perks and family benefits, employee banking, and disability insurance.
Next, empower planning. At first year of Magnificent Moment, we need 7 manpower. At second year, we expect 9 manpower, and the third year, we expect we need 14 manpower. For the schedule of remuneration cost, we will spend 13,858 per month. For the annually cost, we will spend for 166,296 ringgit only. For the fixed cost, we will spend for 188,800. Then organizational budget. Overall, we spend total on 19,058 ringgit only.
Hello everyone, my name is Atifa binti Saleh. Today I will present my part is operation plan. Operation plan have 8 components. Among them, process plan, production schedules, material requirement planning, manpower requirement, mission and equipment, layout design, location, and facilities, and the last is operation cost. The first process is start visit and event. Customer is come in our business and tell about decoration about event hour. The next process is meet with event planning as determine and discuss about price and how to what event making, for example, birthday party, wedding ceremony, and company event. The next is event planning requirements some event model based on our example event making with other customer. After that, customer to need meet with event management after get agreement among customer with our offer decoration and price. Before customer want to know more about the decoration on offer, they need to look at customer policies and procedure. The next is make schedules on appointment, on wedding dress order, and take customer measurement. Make an assessment of the clothes according to the size already take first, and the customer will try on the sheet body is suitable or not. If it does not with the better, it can be readjust the garment to make it look more suitable. Next, the day before the event, customer needs to make a meeting about the event to be held to avoid technical problem during the event. On the day of the event, the crew from Magnificent made preliminary preparation to avoid excess time, and at the same time, our crew also made to test the event by looking at the strength of the event and be able to see technical problem more clearly with the internal preparation performed. The last process after the done event, customer need to make full payment and they also need to answer the questionnaire on the preparation of the event that has already take place. The next part is production schedules. This table shows 3 months process conducted by our business. For total in January is 70 and 800, and the next month is 125,800, and the next total from March is 132,600 ringgit. Total sales for 3 months continue to increase every month. The next is material requirement planning. In this table you can see some material along with the amount that and price of each item used in the business. And for this part is manpower requirement. This table shows about physician and period experience for physician. We can see the next part is machine and equipment. The table you can see about machine and equipment need for magnificent business operation. Next part is layout design. This picture and the table you can see explanation about
the physician layout design magnificent.
the next part is location and feasibility. This picture you can see our location and facilities on Arya Imago shopping mall in Kota Kinabalu. Besides that, magnificent it also see location in the Tuaran town area. And the last part is operation cost. You can see the table. The table total operation cost used in the magnificent business is
8,700 ringgit.
That's all for me. Thank you.
I am as the marketing planner for the Magnificence Moment. In marketing plan, what first thing first we must understand is the meaning of the marketing plan. Marketing plan can be defined as the process in order to get more information about our customer satisfactions, customer needed, and our potential customer. And it also help us on create solid strategy in order to compete with other competitor. And how this process will run. First, we must understand about the market segmentation. In market segmentation of Magnificence Moment, it consists 4 characteristic types of customer. First, about their demographic customer that explain about the income of the customer, the education of the customer, the family situation, and the age of the customer. Second characteristic is about the psychographic of the customer. In psychographic, it explains about the values, the attitude, and the traits of the customer. Third characteristic about the behavioral of the customer. In behavioral of the customer, it will explain more about the purchasing habit, the spending habit, the brand interaction among the customer and our product or our services. And fourth characteristic is about the geographic of the customer. In geographic customer, it's explained about the state of the customer, the city of the customer, the country of the customer. And from this part, from this situation, we have found our target market based on this market segmentation for Magnificence Moment business. We have target market for specific customer. First, the rural and the urban area community. The second of the public and the private organization that wants to make an event for their company or their organization. However, in market environment or on the business environment, we can't deny about the competitor existing, because we know the global market is open and create more competitor in our marketplace. First, about the marketplace, we have found the major of competitor we have facing right now. First, about the hotel and conference center that create or that make a business, same business with us. The second competitor is the other competitor like company that make or create same businesses with us, which is handle and decorate the event planner for their concept of business. And third competitor is about the employee that one do the event by itself. It also one of our competitor, and this competitor will become our threat for our environment businesses. However, to prevent this obstacle, we have created and list lot of strategy to compete with this competitor. First, we have used a new branding and new informative brochure to our customer information. And in addition, we have create an advanced strategy by using 4P. In this 4P, we'll explain about our price, promotion, place, and product that our businesses create. And last but not least, about the market research. In market research, we have found 3 elements in market research, which is about the trends, markets, market size, and market share. In this element, we found that we have in right place and right way in order to make our business sustain and grow. And for little information about the competitor analysis, we have used analysis SWOT for know our competitors' strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats. In conclusion, we have confidence that by using a right marketing plan and right marketing strategy, we can expand our businesses into a global market. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fikri bin Nacho.
Hello, I am representative for Magnificent Moment. I am presenting the financial plan in this business plan. The first one is the project implementation cost schedule. The first element is the capital expenditure. The particulars in this capital expenditure is the first one, computer equipment. The price is 3,000 ringgit. The second one is the furniture and fixtures. We times the price with the quantity and we got the total, that is 7,085 ringgit. The third one is the machine. We also times the price of the item with the quantity and we got the total of all, that is 14,000. Next is the vehicle, that is lorry. That is the price is 180,000 ringgit. The renovation is 8,000. And the last one is intangible assets, that is our company logo, that worth 250 ringgit. So the total for all capital expenditure is 212,335 ringgit. The next one is working capital expenditure. Number 1, administrative expenditure. The rental of premises 3,000 ringgit, salaries 13,858 ringgit, utilities 900, office suppliers 300 ringgit, outstation expenses 1,000 ringgit. The second one is marketing expenses. The banner 200 ringgit, poster 90 ringgit, advertising on social media is 65 ringgit. The third one is operation expenses, that is the stock. We also times the quantity of the stock and with the price, that is the total is 2,785 ringgit. And the total we times all 2 months and we get 44,396 ringgit. Next is other expenditure. The first one is license and taxes, that is worth 400 ringgit. Insurance for the vehicle is 4,500 ringgit and the legal fee 4,000. So the total for other expenditure in this business plan is 8,900 ringgit. For the contingency cost, the capital expenditure is 212,335 ringgit. Working capital requirements 44,396 ringgit. Other expenditure is 8,900 ringgit. So the total for 2 months is 53,126 and 20 cents. Next is the schedule of funds and sources of finance. The hire purchase loan amortization schedule. Type of asset, vehicle, that is lorry box. We do the down payment for this vehicle, that is 180,000 times 10% equals to 18,000. so the interest rate is 8%. The cost of asset is 180,000 and the period of loan is 5 years, and the method for this is flat rate. For the sources of finance, we get from the internal sources, that is equity contributions that worth 50,000. The second is external sources. First one is from Tekun Nasional that worth 50,000, and the second one is hire purchase that is worth 52,556 ringgit. So our funds for this business plan is 152,556 ringgit. The income statement for this business plan is, and we get the net profit is 7,349 ringgit. Balance sheet for this the year ended 31 December 2020